So, hello and welcome everyone, and I welcome you all to our channel Mission Explored. And today we'll see. Previously, we have finished already two parts, okay, in which we have discussed question number 1A, 1B, and question number 2A, 2B. Today we are discussing question number 3, and this is the third part of the video. जितने क्वेश्चंस हो गए उतने हम इसमें सॉल्व करेंगे और बाकी फिर फोर्थ पार्ट आएगा. एक्चुअली फोर्थ पार्ट तक ही रहेगा ऐसा मुझे लगता है, बट जितना डिटेल में एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा उतना शायद फिफ्थ पार्ट भी आ सकता है. So without wasting any time, let's start with the first question. What is given? See, first question: observe the figure and state what they represent. Okay, so while writing answer, what we'll write? Answer. Okay, and in front first point what we'll write? So we'll first point based on this, second point and third point. 3 point answer है 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. This will give you a total of 3 marks. Okay, like this it will give you 3 marks. 3 marks. Okay, so question number 1. See, 1, that is A. A का answer किसने है? First point. The given sign is used to indicate that the object should be reused. Okay, the object should be reused and recycled. Okay, the object should be reused and recycled. We can collect such waste and give it to rag pickers. Okay, this will give you 1 mark. Again, point number 2. The sign is used to indicate the save water. Okay, save water. We must close the taps when we left open, if it is left open by mistake. Okay, and third point based on this, the sign indicates the solar panel. Okay, this sign indicates the solar panel. We can save energy by using solar panel. 3 points, you get 3 marks. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's move towards the second question. What is the second question? Explain the process of spore formation. Okay, so we'll explain the process. This is the diagram. Greenish layer. Okay, when bread is kept for a long time, greenish layer is seen on it. Okay, it is nothing but fungal colony has grown on that bread. Okay, then see spores. These spots, see spots. These are known as spores. Okay, next one, hyphae. This is hyphae. Okay, these rods. See, this one is hyphae, and in root node here near root nodules, rhizoids are there. Okay, rhizoids. Like this, you have to draw a diagram. It is not given in question. You have to prepare this diagram and draw it while writing the answer. After drawing this diagram, you write first point. First point is spore formation is a method of asexual reproduction in fungi like mucor. Okay, fungi, it is a type of fungi, mucor. Second point, MUCOR. Second point, mucor has filamentous body, and mucor has filamentous body and sporangia which produces spores. Okay, sporangia plural, sporangium. See, the sporangium is singular. And when we write sporangia, it is plural. Second point, what it will come in? Mucor has filamentous body and sporangia releasing spores. Okay. Third point, once the spores are formed. Okay, once the spores are formed, sporangia burst and spores are released. Okay, when the spores are formed, sporangia burst and spores are released. Okay, next point, these spores germinate in moist and favorable condition, and a new fungal colony is formed. Okay, and last point, this process is known as spore formation. Okay, last point, hence this process is known as spore formation. And again, one last point, eating such food can be harmful for health, having adverse effect. This much answer you will write, you will get 3 marks. Okay, I think I have discussed 6 points, half mark for each point. Now moving towards next question. Identify the process in diagram and explain it. Okay, so which process is shown? Let's see. Okay, so this process is shown. Nuclear fission wali process. See here only answer is given. nuclear fission. This is the answer. Yeah. And explained. Okay. त्याचं आपल्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचं. आपल्याला डायग्राम बघायचा आहे आणि त्याला एक्सप्लेन करायचं. So how will you write? No need to draw this diagram again in answer because it is given a question. So how will you write? First one, given figure represents the process of nuclear fission. Second point, uranium-235 and plutonium are used as a fuel in this process. Third point, a neutron is bombarded on the atom of uranium-235, it absorbs the neutron and gets converted into uranium-236. Okay, the uranium-235 चा atom आहे काय होईल? See, uranium-235 हा neutron चा आपण जो bombard केला तर it will absorb that neutron and it will get converted into uranium-236 which is highly unstable. पुढचा point कसा आहे आपण fourth point, uranium-236 being highly unstable, okay, converts the atom into barium. Okay, see here, when it becomes uranium-236, what it gets converted into barium, atoms of barium and atom of krypton. Okay, it gets converted into atom of barium and atom of krypton, releasing 3 neutrons and 200 megavolts of electricity. Okay, see, when it gets converted into this barium and krypton, it releases 3 neutrons. Okay, this is the first neutron which is released, second neutron and third neutron, along with 200 megavolts of energy is released. See this, 200 megavolts of energy is released. Then what happens? This process of fission of uranium-235 atom continues, and this process is also called as, okay, my last point about this process of fission of uranium-235 continues, and hence this process is also called as chain reaction. Last point hota. Now I think we'll move towards the fourth one. Explain the term vegetative propagation. So we'll discuss about what is vegetative propagation. First point, vegetative propagation is a type of a sexual method of reproduction. Okay. Second point, reproduction in plant with the help of vegetative parts like roots. Okay, vegetative parts like roots, stem, leaf, bud, etc. Okay. Reproduction in plants with the help of vegetative parts like root, stem, leaf, bud, etc. is called as vegetative propagation. See, we have discussed 2 points. Now third point, whereas in bryophyllum, vegetative propagation is performed with the help of buds present on leaf margin. Okay, if you observe the diagram, suppose this is the leaf of bryophyllum. On leaf margins, okay, here some buds are grown. Okay, buds असे grow होतात margin वरती, leaf margin वरती, in case of bryophyllum only. And what happens? This bud then gets independent in a leaf. Okay, पानाला पान फुटणे. Okay, next point. This process in potato is performed with the help of eyes on tuber. Okay, potato the mode are that is eyes on tuber. Okay. Next point. In case of plants like sugarcanes and grass. Okay, in case of plants like sugarcane and grass, vegetative propagation occurs with the help of buds present on nodes. Okay, तर जर आपण बघितलं शुगरकेन किंवा एखादा ग्रासचं प्लांट काय होत असतं, व्हेजिटेटिव्ह propagation occurs with the help of buds present on nodes. Okay, nodes म्हणजे काय? Suppose this is the stem. Okay, इथं बड फॉर्म होतो. ओके, शुगर केन बघितलं असेल जागी असे सर्कल असं हे असतं, सर्क्युलर पार्ट, ओके, विच इज हार्ड, तर इथून बड फॉर्म होतो, अशी प्रोसेस आहे ही. आणि नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, प्लांट्स लाईक कॅरट अँड रेडिश परफॉर्म व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ रूट्स. ओके, हे कळाले. तर आता शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स आपल्याला ठेवायची. सेकंड पॉइंट आपण बघितलं होतं का, रिप्रोडक्शन इन प्लांट्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ व्हेजिटेटिव्ह पार्ट्स लाईक, हायलाइट करा तुम्ही सांगते, रूट कॉमा स्टेम कॉमा लीफ कॉमा बड. ओके, असं लिहिलं तर पहिलं सर्व घ्यायचा रूट घ्यायचा. रूटनी जे व्हेजिटेटिव्ह प्रोपगेशन कोणत्या प्लांट मध्ये होतं त्याचं एक्झाम्पल द्यायचं. स्टेम मध्ये कॅरट आणि शुगर केन वालं, लीफ मध्ये आलं ब्रायोफायलम, आणि बर्ड्स मध्ये आपण घेऊ शकतो अगेन बर्ड्स मध्ये जर म्हणलं किंवा पोटॅटो घेतलं तरी काय हरकत नाही, पोटॅटो घ्यायचा. अशी एक्झाम्पल 3 किंवा 4 सफिशियंट. ओके, नाव विल डिस्कस द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपण डिस्कस करूयात. व्हॉट इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन, म्हणजे सध्याचा. ऑब्झर्व द फिगर अँड आन्सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन्स. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, label the parts A and B. Okay, so we label the parts A. Part number A तुम्ही लेबल करा, मी सांगतो. पार्ट नंबर ए स्पिंडल फायबर्स, सेंट्रिओल. ओके, स्पिंडल फायबर्स हे थ्रेड लाईक असतात, बट सेंट्रिओल म्हणून इथं सेंट्रिओल. ओके, पार्ट ए इज सेंट्रिओल अँड पार्ट बी आर क्रोमॅटिड्स. ओके, वी कॅन राईट क्रोमॅटिड, नो सिस्टर क्रोमॅटिड्स आर देयर, दे आर ओनली क्रोमॅटिड्स. So then centriole and chromatids. Now question number B. Identify the phase of cellular division. काय झालंय, spindle fibers to are formed, but see that chromatids are arranged in an equatorial plane. So this phase is metaphase. Okay. Identify the phase. Anaphase. It is anaphase. Extremely sorry. It is the anaphase of mitosis. Next, question number C. Define the term karyokinesis. The division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis, or karyokinesis means the division of nucleus. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay, but what is difference? Active to passive or passive to active? Whatever it is, but it should be written clearly. So you can write karyokinesis means division of nucleus, or the division of nucleus is known as karyokinesis. Whatever you want, you can write. Okay, now we have discussed 5 questions. Remaining, I think 8 questions are there total. Yes, 8 questions. In next part, we will discuss that remaining 3 questions. And question number 4, solve any one. In that 2 questions are there, that also will solve. Okay, so goodbye everyone. Okay, please subscribe our channel so that you can get a notification when we upload a new video for you based on these important questions. Okay, so bye everyone. Very soon you will get next part. Okay, this is the third part. Fourth part will be uploaded very soon. Okay.